Hello, happy Monday. Today is the 29th of March. This week it's very exciting because on Friday we go to Michigan for Easter, and I'm gonna be able to see basically my whole family, so I'm very excited. But I just got back from running a few errands, doing Amazon returns. I ended up going to Walmart, so I wanna show you a few things that I picked up, and then I just kind of went to like Home Goods and stuff just to look at like some of their rugs because I need to get, I'm sitting on the floor, I need to get rugs here for like that door, the front door and stuff that don't slide around because they're so annoying. Especially this one at the back door because Luna literally comes sprinting in and that rug moves around. I literally got it for when we first moved here, and now it's been multiple months and I haven't changed it, and that one's from Walmart for like $4 or something. So let me show you what I got from Walmart. I just realized I wasn't recording, but I got my little tripod to set this up. I'm in the kitchen filming this on this rug that we still haven't put any furniture on, but whatever. Okay, so I got Panera coffee. If you haven't signed up for their subscription service, I highly recommend it. I've been doing it for almost a year now, I wanna say. Like they started it towards the beginning of the pandemic. It might've been like July or something. They started it last year. And I've been doing it off and on since then. They have 3 months free right now, so literally you can just go sign up, put a credit card in there or a debit card, whatever, and then just put a reminder on your calendar to cancel it before the 3 months is up, and you're golden. So yeah, it's literally the best. You can get a coffee every 2 hours, any size. And it can be, they have light roast, dark roast, and hazelnut. They're all delicious. Well, I haven't tried the light roast, but the dark roast and the hazelnut are delicious. You can also get iced coffee as well. And again, you can get it every 2 hours. So like if you're out and about running errands and there's Panera, you can go get a coffee multiple times a day. It's great when we go up to Michigan and stuff, we can grab a coffee from there, and then we don't have to like brew a pot or something that morning that we're leaving. So it's great. I ended up getting the fresh coconut scent of the Dove dry shampoo. I don't know if I've tried this one. I like their volume one as well. My two favorite drugstore dry shampoos, or dry shampoos in general, I haven't really tried non-drugstore ones, are Batiste and Dove. I think they both work really well. So I'm excited to try this. And it was a full, like huge size like this. This is 7.3 ounces and it was $5.97. So this is cheaper than Batiste, and it smells better than Batiste, I think, but Batiste works like a little bit better. Just, there's my spiel on that. Okay, as far as hair things go, so my hair is really like flat right now. I did put some like product to do natural curls in it like multiple days ago, but I had it air dry, and when I have my hair air dry, it doesn't hold a curl as well as when I like diffuse it. And also I don't think I put enough gel in it. So anyway, I ended up getting a few products for that whole process. So first off, I got this Kim Kimble Healthy Hair Repair and Renew Healing Leave-In Conditioner. So I am out of leave-in conditioner, so I've just been using like 1 squirt of my regular conditioner and using it as a leave-in, but I wanted to try this. This is, it says it's rich in avocado and jojoba oils and has amino acids. So when you are trying to do your hair naturally curly, you want to get a mixture of moisture and protein, and so this says it has amino acids, aka protein. So I wanted to try this out. Oh, it smells real good. Has no parabens, sulfates, phthalates, and color safe. So I also got it because it says it's for wavy, curly, and kinky hair. So like sometimes the ones that are for like actual curly and kinky are too heavy on my hair, but this one should be good. Okay. Then I got the Totally Twisted line from Herbal Essences. I've tried this mousse and I absolutely love it. So I'll put this in before I put gel in, and it works so well. I love this stuff, but I ran out. And then I got their curl scrunching gel as well. Right now I'm using the Aussie one and it works okay, but I wanted to try something different. And since I love the mousse so much, I figured I would try the gel. It says it has strong hold, so we'll see how this works. I'm probably gonna try that stuff in the next few days. And then last but not least, I got beard dye. And if you've been around for a while, you know I dye my eyebrows, and when I do that, I use Just for Men, but I literally have been using, this is probably so bad, the same tubes for like 2 years, because when I first got it, they didn't have dark brown or medium dark brown, and so I got medium brown and black, and I mixed the two colors together. But now I got medium dark brown, which is M40 for my eyebrows, and then I have been looking into tinting and perming or curling or a lash lift at home. There's a bunch of videos on it on YouTube. Obviously you have to be very, very careful, but I know I can do it because I have experimented with like putting lash extensions on and stuff, so I have like a close-up mirror and I'm very careful around my eyes. Anyway, I got black to do my lashes, and then I ordered a lash lift kit that I'm gonna make a whole video about here soon. So it should be here in like 2 days. Today's Monday, probably Wednesday, so I'll make a video about that. And I'm very excited. It'll probably be up around the same time, if not before this video. So if it is, I'll try and link it down in the description box. But I'm gonna try this today, I think, because I'm so excited, and dye my eyebrows, of course. Right now, also, if you're curious, I have on the L'Oreal tinted moisturizer that I was talking about, the L'Oreal Paradise one, and then just some e.l.f. brow gel. That's literally all that's in my on my face. Oh, let me share some stuff with you as well when it comes to skincare. I have shared this with my family on Instagram, so if you're not following me over there, definitely go check me out. It is Emily_Freybler, and I share like new stuff that I've gotten in the mail like in real time with you guys, versus this takes like a couple weeks or a week for me to upload a vlog. So products that I'm trying out are the barefaced toning pads. If you guys don't follow Jordan Harper on Instagram, I'll leave her handle here. You have to go check her out because she is a nurse practitioner that specializes in skincare, and she has her own shop called the Barefaced Skin Shop, and they sell other brands, but she also has formulated her own products. So I ended up getting her toning pads, which are 2% glycolic acid and 2% salicylic acid, and I ended up getting these because I found other products that were similar to this, but they didn't work as well as I wanted them to, and these have insanely good reviews for like clearing up acne and stuff. So I've used them twice now. I'm starting out with 3 times a week, but honestly I think my skin will be able to tolerate it every day, maybe like next week, because I was already using similar ingredient or same ingredients but a different formulation. So I'm so excited to try these out. Like obviously I've used them a couple times. I took before pictures, and then I honestly might make a video about my experience with them. And then I also got Revision Skincare's Brightening Face Wash. This I got the small size of, but it's still 6.7 ounces. This is a pricey face wash, but the reviews of this are absolutely insane, you guys. Like, it's supposed to brighten up your complexion, help exfoliate and stuff like that. And so eventually I'll start using this once my skin is used to these, maybe after a few weeks, and then use this maybe a couple times a week, and then slowly build up my tolerance to this, because it is like a stronger face wash. So I am so excited to use some like a little bit of higher end products to hopefully get some great results in my skin. So skin is just very, very important to me. And then also, especially after I like have struggled with cystic acne for so long. And then also I'm still taking Balance from Milani New. I've been taking it for a few weeks now. Again, like I stopped it for a while and then I'm taking it again. So there's a little skin update for you guys. This is a really long clip, but yeah, that's what's going on right now. Hello, you guys. Welcome to my bathroom. So it is Wednesday, March 31st, and I just got in a couple new Amazon purchases, which I'm very excited about. One of them is a shelf for the shower. So let me show you the shower situation and why I need this so bad. As you can see behind me, there is a little cutout. But as a woman who tries out a bunch of products and I use a bunch of products daily, this little tiny cutout did not cut it for me. So here's our shower, and the funniest thing ever is that Caleb literally has like 1 or 2 products in here. I guess he uses the face wash as well. But I do when I wear my hair curly, I have like my hair styling products in here as well. So that's why there's so many. But I have like my shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, gel. Then we got some face washes, some mousse. This little thing is literally the best to scrub your scalp. If you're someone like me who goes like 4 days without washing your hair, this just really gets in there and gets the buildup out and it stimulates your scalp. And then my loofah, and this is a face like brush thing that I use at night. Face washes, and then body wash. So anyway, I have a bunch of stuff in here and I hate how stuff is on the floor. Also, we already have a squeegee because we do have a glass shower. So after we get out of the shower, we do squeegee it. It keeps it cleaner. So if you are someone who has a glass shower and you don't already have like a little squeegee like that, I highly recommend it. I don't like doing it, but it definitely keeps it cleaner before washing the actual glass, so you don't have a bunch of droplets all over it. I have been wanting a type of shelf in this bathroom for a while, so I just got this one from Amazon, and it had great reviews. It was very affordable. I think it was like 20 bucks or 25, and I like it because it has 2 shelves. Obviously, it's like kind of stainless. But this is like a brush stainless, so I don't think it'll be like this where I hate these water spots on it. In hindsight, I would not get a stainless squeegee, but I like how large this is because it covers a lot of area. And then also I use the Billy razor, and I need one of those little hangy putty things, which I think my order will be here like this week. If you haven't heard of the Billy razor, I can't believe that because so many people talk about it, but it is a subscription razor service. I'm not like affiliated with them at all. I've just used them for a while now, and this is what the razor looks like. Here, let me pull it out of here. I have it in my drawer right now because it has this like charcoaly stuff around the blades that makes it like a super smooth shave when it gets wet. But if you leave it like not hanging up and not in a well-ventilated area, it will get all gunky. And I had it just sitting on the floor. I feel like that sounds disgusting anyway. Sitting on the floor of the shower because I only get shipments, I think, every 2 or 3 months because I don't shave like every single day. And so I don't need the blades every single month. But anyway, in my next order, they have a little magnet that goes on your wall and you can hang it up there. So anyway, this is another reason why I wanted the shelf just in the meantime. Also, if you have the Billy razor, we're about to go home for Easter. Where did that go? This thing is a lifesaver. This is their little travel case because like I said, it does have that like charcoaly stuff. So when you're done shaving, you literally put it in here and it magnetizes to this. And then you snap it shut, and then it's like a little traveling case, which I think is amazing. Then you don't have to throw out your razor blade, especially if you're going on like a weekend trip or something. You don't have to change it out every single time. So genius invention. And I'm going on a tangent, but I love Billy because it shaves well. Some people say it's like revolutionary and they don't have to shave as often. I don't think so. I think it's just a great razor and it's very, very affordable. It's like $9. And you can change the shipments. It's not every single month. You're not tied in. You can, like I said, I think I do it every 2 or 3 months. So, and I think you get 4 refill blades every single time you get a shipment. So anyway, so I got this rack to put all the stuff that's on the floor. up here. And then the other cool thing is it has these little hooks so we can put like a washcloth here. I'm not putting anything on it now though, because it says to wait 24 hours for these adhesives to really stick to the wall, and I want to make sure this does not fall. So yeah, there's my little shower spiel, but I'm so excited to use this eventually and not have anything on the floor. Hello you guys, happy day. Today is a great day. It is Thursday, April 1st, April Fool's Day, aka my sister's birthday. So I spent the morning talking to her, FaceTiming her, and also FaceTimed my little nephew and my mom and stuff for a while. So that was really nice. It's always like good for my soul. I talk to at least my mom every day pretty much. My sister multiple times a week, but yeah, that's just kind of how it goes when you live out of state. So anyway, it is such a beautiful sunny day, and I've seen people starting to kind of work on our road again. They tore this up like, I swear, 3 weeks ago, if not 4 weeks ago, and they put gravel down but never came and paved it. Look at my little hairs. And so I saw some trucks like those, you know, those roller ones where they like push the stuff down. Some of those came by, and I see some workers. So I'm hoping to get this paved here soon. It's Thursday. We leave for Michigan tomorrow morning, so it won't really matter, but hopefully by the time we get back, it'll be all paved. As you can tell, I do have some breakouts. But I think it's because I've been starting to use those toning pads and I'm just purging just a little bit. But other than that, I feel like my skin looks so dang even, and I don't feel like I'm getting any more clogged pores. Like I usually get more clogged pores and keep getting them, but honestly, so far my skin's looking great. Obviously, it's only been like a week, but so far I'm really liking them. So I am upping my usage to more than every other day, probably every day. I did 2 days in a row and it was totally fine. My skin didn't react, which I figured would be fine because I was using other pads before that. So I'm gonna just use them every day, and my skin I think will be fine. And then when we get back from Michigan, I'm gonna start using that brightening face wash, I believe, as long as my face isn't like reacting to the toning pads or anything. So I'm so excited about that. But now it is time for a workout. So it is workout time. I am loving, like I've been saying, this Caroline Girvan workout program. I'm doing the EBOOK program. Today's day 24, so I won't work out tomorrow because we're going to be driving all day. And then 25, which is halfway through the program, is Saturday. So super exciting. This is just a Hanes sweatshirt, by the way, that I just cut off. And I love it. So that's all. And maybe I'll show a little time lapse of the workout. Today is 1 hour full body. Also, I know this isn't like picked up, but I love this room and I can't wait to get new covers. I was looking on IKEA because I was going to order them, and for some reason they won't deliver. Like one of them isn't available. I think it's like the sofa cover isn't available for like delivery or pickup right now. So I'm going to keep checking and hopefully that happens, because if not, I'm going to have to spend an arm and a leg on covers for these, which I don't want to do. Also, I moved this plant from my office and I am loving it here. I just think it looks so pretty with the rug. So anyway, it is a beautiful day and I'm just so happy.